Hey friends, in talking with hundreds of you guys, our early education owners across the country in the last year, our team at HINGE Advisors has found a pretty significant gap in information that you guys are wanting. So many owners are trying to plan what's next for them, for their business, for them personally, and what they are lacking is solid information about the value of their business and their real estate. Maybe you're planning to grow, we're hearing others thinking of selling, maybe you're just curious about what you've built. For any of those strategies, understanding the true value of your business and real estate is critical and helps you make decisions with confidence. Because of that, we have created our 2025 Value Workshop. It's an exclusive opportunity to get an industry-specific valuation of your business and real estate from the nation's leading experts. It's also an opportunity for one-on-one coaching around the value of your company, in addition to a full day of information about what does the process look like, what does this value mean, how can I use this value to grow or exit. We're so excited about this workshop. It's going to be a great event. We hope to see you there.